Scoring in Gridsearch CV. I just started with Gridsearch in Python, but I am confused what is scoring in this. Somewhere I have seen. What is the intent of using these values, i.e. precision, recall, accuracy and scoring? Is this used by Gridsearch in giving us the optimized parameters based on these scoring values? Like for the best precision score it finds the best parameters or something like that. It calculates precision, recall, accuracy for the possible parameters and gives a result. Now the question is if this is true, then it selects best parameters based on precision, recall or accuracy. Is the above statement true?
You are basically correct in your assumptions. This parameter dictionary allows the Gridsearch to optimize across each scoring metric and find the best parameters for each score. However, you can't then have the Gridsearch automatically fit and return the best estimator without choosing which score to use for the refit. It will instead throw the following error.
What is the intent of using these values, i.e. precision, recall, accuracy and scoring? Just in case your question also includes what are precision, recall and accuracy and why are they used? Accuracy equals number of correct predictions, total predictions. Precision equals true positives plus false positives. Recall equals true positives plus false negatives. Where a true positive is a prediction of true that is correct, a false positive is a prediction of true which is incorrect, and a false negative is a prediction of false that is incorrect. Recall and precision are useful metrics when working with unbalanced datasets, i.e., there are a lot of samples with label 0, but much fewer samples with label 1. Recall and precision also lead into slightly more complicated scoring metrics like F1_score and beta_score, which are also very useful. Here's a great article explaining how recall and precision work.
Yo,